Hey guys, my name is Sandhya. There is something magical about the final months of the year. Everyone is in the mood for celebration and no one really feels like working. But with so many festivals falling back to back, it's quite stressful picking out gifts for friends and family. Luckily, my mom went into hyper cleaning mode for the upcoming holiday season and a lot of old forgotten junk resurfaced. Today, I'm going to show you how I repurpose some of these old knickknacks into pretty thoughtful gifts. Let's go. My old bike has been sitting in this corner catching rust and moisture since forever. This festive season, I thought of gifting it to my cousin who just so happens to be a hell junkie. Firstly, I'll be dusting it thoroughly. Then comes my trusted can of WD-40. This will take care of all that stubborn rust on the bike frame and chain. Just spray it, let it sit and scrape it off with some steel wool. Now that it looks all rust free, I am going to give it a final wipe down with some water and mild detergent and leave it out to air. With that, we are done. My old rusty birdcage is probably decades old. Today I am going to repurpose into a cute bookcase for my little sister. My sister loves grey, so that's the color I am going to go with. I'll start with a base coat and follow it up with multiple coats. It's always better to have multiple light coats of paint rather than one heavy coat. Now that's painted, I'll be decorating it with some twine and fake flowers just to give it that fairy tale look. As a final touch, I'm going to place some of her favorite books in here. I can't wait to see the look on her face when I gift this to her. Next, I've got these 3 old saucers. Sadly, their cups are nowhere to be found and by themselves they're not of much use. Until a brilliant idea struck me, that is, my aunt has recently redone her interiors and I think these saucers, once repurposed, will make for an amazing wall decor pieces. First, I'll give all 3 of them a thorough cleaning. Then comes a generous layer of base coat. Once that's dry, I'm going to take my pencil and create some abstract designs on each one of these 3. And finally, I'll be painting them in the prettiest colors. To waterproof them and add a glossy finish, I'm going to spray them with WD-40 and voila. My best friend is a jewelry hoarder and I've got the perfect gift for her. Watch how I repurpose a grater into a earring stand. The first 2 steps will remain the same. Getting rust off with WD-40 and then giving it a thorough wash with soap and water. Now that the grater is clean, rust-free and dry, I'll be fritting up with some color. Let's go with white because that's her favorite color. This time I'll be whipping out my spray paint cans because the surface is a little tricky to tackle. As you can see, I have prepared my workspace and covered everything up with old newspapers to avoid any mess. I start by coating the grater with a layer of primer and once that is dry, on goes the pretty white paint. I've gotten here some cute earrings too. Don't you just love the finished product? I know she will. The last one's for my mom. She absolutely loves gardening and I'm going to upcycle these salt and pepper shakers into cute little planters for her flowers and herbs. As you can see, they're not in the best of shape thanks to all this rust. Thankfully, I've got my WD-40 here. Honestly, it is so easy getting the rust off with this. Now that I'm done scraping away the rust and washing it with water and detergent, I'll be spraying the shakers with a coat of primer. Since I've got 2 of these, I'm going to give one a plain background pastels and a hand letter her name onto it. And for the other one, I'll be going with a cute abstract pattern. So that, my friends, is my take on gifting this festive season. I hope you found these ideas helpful. Thanks for watching.